Hi guys. He don't like bread. He like chocolate cake. See? He loves to eat sweet food like chocolate, cake, and ice cream. Cupcakes and Baskin Robbins, Rocky Road. See? This bird he loves to eat. He loves to eat cake, sweet. He don't like bread. I give him a bread and he don't want it. And he loves to eat chocolate cake. You baby bird, you eat my cake? That is very sweet. Do you know that? Yes, you are. Can you eat at all? Huh? Yes, you are. Don't make your high sugar high, okay? Where you going? You done? Are you done eating? It's too sweet for you. Come on here. Come on.